Welcome to My Chefin'. My name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today we're going to make a corn steak salad. Yeah, you heard me right.
Corn
But our
salad.
steak is steak, thin ribeye. Now, again, any size steak you have at home that you want to use, this is all about always, like I say, creativity. So use what you have. And if you don't want to, if you don't eat meat and you don't want to use steak and you want to replace it, possibly use chicken or turkey, you can do that. But I'm telling you what we're doing today and what we're using. Now, I do have a story to share with you guys really quickly in regards to our corn. Of late, supplies have been kind of really interesting in trying to get at the stores. And so when I went to purchase our corn, I wanted us to have the corn in the husk. And unfortunately, there was the 3 stores I went to, there was no corn in the husk, and there was even no frozen corn. So today we're actually using canned corn. I have a very dear friend of mine named Dan from I Allegedly. I'll link his YouTube down, and you guys really should try to tune into some things that he's saying, because he's talking about a lot of things that's not being necessarily shared with us in the forefront media in regards to how difficult it is to try to find some food supplies. So I will link his YouTube down. But let's go back on a happier note on this wonderful salad that we have here. We have our arugula as our base of our greens and our cherry tomatoes in no colors today, but the color of red. Heart. And we have some fresh mozzarella, and we have our lemon, and we have our red onions, and of course our wonderful healthy fat of avocado. And the corn I'm using is, like I said, it's from the can, but it will do. It's the white corn and the yellow corn, as well as some Parmesan and some honey and avocado oil and our salt and pepper to taste, and our white wine to make our dressing. And so we're gonna get into the vitamin content. Oh, and here's our steak. I cooked some so you can kind of see, and I'm gonna cook the rest in front of you. Now, listen, I believe in whatever meats that you have, if you're a meat eater, that you should definitely try to kill the bacteria from it going from the processing plants and everything by using some form of acid. So that can be white wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, red wine vinegar, or lemon juice or lime juice. In this case, I had poured some lemon juice, and I had it sit on it for about 5 minutes, rinsed it off, totally pat it dry, and put my oil. I sprayed my oil, my EVOO bottle, which you've probably seen before. And then I put my own seasoning that I've created, my 21 blend of herbs and spices. Thank you, Ian.
Yes, Mama.
So, but again, whatever seasons you have at home, if you want to do just basic salt and pepper, you can do that. If you have another type of form of seasoning that you like on steak, you can season your meat. And so that's all. It's seasoned right here, and I'm going to cook the rest right here so you can kind of see it cook on my grill. If you're interested, I love gadgets. I am a gadget queen. So if you're interested in my power grill here, just let me know and I can link that information for you. And of course, my avocado tool, which I've mentioned before, which is the non-serrated blade, which cuts it for you, takes out the pit for you, and slices and mashes it for you here. And we're going to use that to cut out avocado. All right, and we're going to get into our vitamin content. Our corn has vitamin B, C, and folate. Our avocados has vitamin B2, B3, and B5, and it's your healthy fat. Onions has vitamin B6, C, potassium, and folate. Fresh mozzarella, has vitamins D and calcium. Your lemon has vitamin C, and it's a great source of fiber as well. And we're really going to be using the zest from the lemon. And tomatoes has vitamin C, folate, and potassium. And our special greens today, you're probably like, oh, that's those small greens. because we have a lot of goodies that's going to go in it. And that's arugula, who's the star today. Vitamin C, folate, K, and magnesium. And also it has calcium, potassium, and your Parmesan cheese has vitamins A, B6, and B12. We're gonna put our steak on the grill. Okay. And again, like I said, you don't have steak. You can use whatever meat works for you. Got a steak on the grill here. Nice for you to hear my sizzle. Ah, starting to hear the sizzle. Born and raised out of Jersey, born and raised out of New York. Yes, I am a New Yorker, but now I'm a Floridian.
Yes,
we are Floridians.
Yes, we are.
And I have to tell you, I love the sun, and I love the flip-flops. Right here. Now let's just cook up here. Get this on the grill, and then I'll show you when you flip it over. Cook up here. Let me tell you guys, I have a really great trick for your avocado to prevent it from oxidizing. But if you go to my sweet potato soup video, you'll find out the trick there.
Yes, you will. Mama's magician.
Well, I wouldn't quite say that, but at least I prevented it from oxidizing for a little while.
Yes, you did.
And I'll link that for you below. Okay. Okay, it's gonna be good. Ah, fell out. This is good.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So, what we want to do here, here, and Ian, you can actually start putting your stuff on your salad. Everything, just kind of like do a dump fest.
Dump fest?
Dump fest.
Should I start with the, let me see. I'll start over here with the onions.
Is it easier to cut this down?
I'm going to start with the onions first.
We're going to peel this back.
We'll go with the tomatoes.
Oh, I didn't have my bowl today.
They're so
That's
looking
okay.
nice. They're really nice.
Yeah, those beautiful cherry tomatoes, right?
They're beautiful. Tomatoes. I love my tomatoes.
Tomatoes, tomatoes.
Yeah, almost
You
like
say
potato.
tomato, I say tomatoes.
Yes, you do. Okay, so now I got that in
So
there.
here we have our
Corn?
Yep, corn.
Yeah, sure.
Corn is the star, right?
Yes, it is.
With the steak.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Corn in. And then I guess I'm going to have to throw in the chunky cheese. What kind of cheese is this, Mom?
This is fresh mozzarella.
Fresh mozzarella. A fresh mozzarella. Okay.
Some of your avocado. Yeah.
You want me to use it all now? I think that's enough.
That's good. That's
Yeah.
good.
Shouldn't have put
Great snacking cheese, by the way.
Without a doubt.
Okay, and let's get the avocado in here.
Yes.
And you're gonna want to put a little salt and black pepper on this again.
Oh, I will.
Okay. So get your avocado there. So I love about my big knife. It also uses it as a little serving. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna cut some more avocado.
I'll wait for you to cut that. And then I'll zap it up.
And then
with a
you'll
little salt and
season
pepper.
up everything. You'll jazz up everything.
The salt and pepper.
Yep. Okay. Jazz it up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The avocado here. Peels. Okay. Great.
That's good, healthy fat, right? Mom?
The good, healthy fat. Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
Okay, so avocados with imperfections. Let me tell you, there's still so many like this. What you could do is put it in some smoothie when it's like that, or you can make a hair mask. Stimulates hair growth and shine. So there's still so many things you can do with that avocado and not throw it out. Okay, we're gonna turn our. Here we go. Eat. Closer the bowl.
Oh, sorry. Okay. You gotta get it close to you.
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Just
I'm gonna throw a little bit of
you're gonna put a little bit of
salt
salt.
and pepper.
Yeah. Ooh, look at you.
One more.
Yeah, you want to get some because none of this has any seasoning.
Okay.
So yeah, you want to make sure. Spread. You gotta turn your bowl because everyone needs love.
I know.
They get jealous when you give love to one,
side,
which is your seasoning, and not to the other. It brings on jealousy among the fruits or the vegetables or the food.
Now the beautiful Himalayan salt.
Yes. And then you're gonna make your dressing. Ooh, look at that. Mm-hmm. Now Himalayan salt, the reason that we tend to use it was because it has a lot less sodium than your typical table salt. So then Ian, we're gonna put this last, our Parmesan, once we get our other meat.
Yeah.
So you just want to kind of take the bowl down.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it right in front of me.
Right, and you want to use the best tools in the house, which are?
What God gave me.
Which is?
My hands.
All right now.
RTE, right?
RT is what, Ian?
Ready to eat.
Oh. Look at that.
It's looking nice.
Look at that wonderful steak.
Yo,
look at that wonderful steak.
It's looking gorgeous. It's looking nice.
So now we're gonna get it on the other side cooking. Mm-hmm. Yes. Beautiful. You guys want to see the steak again? I'll show you this side. That's that side.
I'm pulling an old stunt, Mom.
I'll show you again. Look at that. So, we're just gonna let it cook up.
What do you think, Mom?
Ian, please.
Okay. Oh, you're cooking. It looks beautiful. Got all kinds of flavors and colors and everything. Green, red, yellow, white.
Wow. Beautiful, Ian.
Here we have some lemonade blueberry mint infused with some fresh blueberries.
Lemon has vitamin C, it's a good source of fiber, and blueberries has vitamins A, C, K, manganese, and potassium. And mint has vitamins A, C, magnesium, potassium, and calcium, and it helps support the body and immune system. And honey has niacin, pantothenic acid, manganese, calcium, and potassium. Look at our corn steak salad.
Beautiful. I love the color.
Okay, so I want to say this to all of my vegans who are out there. Listen, you can get vegan cheese in replacement of the fresh mozzarella, and you could take out the steak, and you can still enjoy this. And my vegetarians, the same thing. You could just take out the steak. So you could still, this salad, anyone can enjoy it and make it. And it's really simple. So again, change the meats. If you don't eat red meat, use poultry. So let's just give it a try. It's really important that you give it a try. And let's get to eating.
Can I say something?
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking about, in our what we do for the families and everything, and we get a lot of plant-based meats.
Mm-hmm.
So they can actually, these vegans can use the plant-based, can't they?
Yes, they would use. They can use a plant-based meat exactly,
and make it the same way.
They can make it the same way, or just No meat at all if they
right.
want it.
Either way.
But let's get to eating. I can't
yes.
wait to. First, let me take a little sip. Oh, hold on.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Yes.
A little sip of mine.
Me too, you know.
Oh, wow. This is really good.
Oof.
Okay. Nice little sweetness from the honey. And that little tartness as well. So, from the lemonade. So let's take a bite.
Yes, let's do that.
Okay. Get a piece of my steak. Smell a piece of my steak if I can.
Wow.
My tomato. Where's my corn? Where's my avocado? I gotta kind of get everything in here. Oops. Oh, Ian. Okay. Okay.
Different flavors from everywhere.
You're getting that burst of freshness
Yeah.
from the zest of the orange. It's not at all bitter. It's just really, you taste the freshness. And then you get that, you get the smoothness of the avocado. And that steak is just so tender because it was thin. And the tomatoes are just tasting like great tomatoes with a little kick on it. And the mozzarella, soft, flavorful. This is a must try. Listen, don't forget to give us a virtual hug by clicking the like button. It's really important that you subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe so you can see all the new content that we put out weekly. And share. Sharing is caring, remember?
Be part of the family. So what do you think?
Loving every bite, Ian.
Yes.
Loving every bite. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with us. Let us know in the comments if you tried this, how it turned out, if you alternated everything. We want to engage with you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Take care
We
now.
love you.